Well, hey guys, it's Outland. How's it going? It's time for another adventure. And this is turning out to be an adventure. We're here at Oil Creek State Park here in Pennsylvania. It's Saturday, January 18th, 2020. First adventure of 2020, and it is turning out to be something. Let me show you what I'm dealing with here. So right now it's freezing rain and sleet. There's a few inches of snow on the ground. Up here they're supposed to get somewhere between 5 and 8 inches of snow today or over the weekend. It's been a crazy mixed bag of precipitation the entire way up here. Literally drove in freezing rain most of the morning. I left at 5 a.m. It is now noon. So what was supposed to take a 4 to 5 hour drive ended up being 7 hours. It has been crazy. You know how they say the journey is the destination, the journey is the adventure? That's how it's been so far today, man. It's been crazy. But this is super cool, meeting up with some other YouTubers, other hikers, and we're just going to do an awesome night of basically car camping. We're going to go up to Cow Run Shelters here and do a potluck style camp out dinner. Not really doing any miles this weekend. To speak of. We did want to do some day hiking, but with the weather the way it is, I don't know. I don't see much day hiking happening right now. So I was just saying how awesome my Jeep is for the four-wheel drive. It's super great. It's been getting me back here, no problems. Check this out. Yeah. Guess who's stuck? Super cool. At least I do have LTE in this spot so the guys know where I am. I dropped a pin. They're gonna come hopefully get me out of here and not get stuck themselves. Kind of in some water at the moment, and it's sleeting. Yeah, this is turning out good. This is good. This is fun. If they can just help push me out, I should be able to get out of here fairly easily. Hopefully. Okay, so I just talked to Tim and I think they found me. They just drove past the green gate. I told them not to drive down here because I don't want them to get stuck too, even though Josh feels confident about his Trailhawk. Mr. Tim Watson is filming this because he thinks this is hilarious. So I'm stuck, and then this parking situation right here is a complete mess. Basically all ice. So Brown Tim got stuck down here. All right, so we're finally headed to the shelters. What a day, guys. Hey, never count on anything in the winter. Anytime, really, but the winter especially. Well, we're finally hiking in after a few issues. Got the sled full of goodies. We got the water, got some curry, got some... What up? Alright guys, we continue to head to Cow Run. We completely missed the sign because somebody thought it would be hilarious to flip the sign. They actually turned it. So we completely missed the junction. Right here? You don't think it's
too long? Seriously? Alright. You ready for this?
Sweet.
Check that out.
That's cool.
Double-sided stuff sack.
Hold on,
That's what I'm going to put up, man.
That's sick.
I'm going to put that up first.
So you had it custom made?
Yeah, dude. One of my buddies made this.
Oh,
Miyagi
nice.
on the trail.
Oh, Miyagi.
Shout out to him, man.
Yeah, he's awesome. I like
Yeah.
his videos.
This is my Brad pod.
Yeah?
And this has my straps in it, the whole suspension, and the ridge line.
Nice.
I'm going to set it up right now.
Alright. Alright, guys. I'm getting ready to make some Dutch oven baked spaghetti. I have never made this before, but I got this awesome recipe. I think this is going to be amazing. It's pretty simple. I have Italian sausage in here. You put a can of tomatoes in, and then you throw it on the... You mix all the stuff together and you throw it in the fire. You let it cook for about 20 minutes. And simple. Super simple.
About 4 years ago, they call it the Pine Mountain Trail, but it's on the Kentucky-Virginia border. And they're trying
Nicaraguan, I think, or Papua New Guinea. I can't remember.
What's that? Coffee?
Papua New Guinea.
Oh man.
What you got? Coffee?
Some French press, Papua New Guinea, I believe.
Okay.
Paul,
You don't have to top me off.
Paul.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want some?
Yeah, please.
I don't know how much is left in
Thanks for the
a
coffee.
drink.
Alright guys, so the spaghetti's cooking. Let me show you this. It's looking pretty good. In there. Yeah. Nice and hot. Cooking well. Well, it is nice in these shelters, man. I'm just sitting in front of this fire. I'm just enjoying this fire. All the other guys in the other shelter right now, chatting it up and eating and drinking, and I'm just sitting here in front of this fire, watching my spaghetti. Though I'm stirring, I'm cooking, I'm doing my thing, Yeah, this is awesome so far. We are definitely gonna have to put a tarp on this side because all the wind is coming right through here, just like last time. Same. It just must be the way the shelter's orientated. We got a troop of Boy Scouts here, so there's a ton of young kids here with a scout leader, and they all got sleds. They just keep sledding down this hill. It's hilarious. So everybody has sleds. We have sled. They have a sled. It's a good time. Everybody's having fun. Everybody's enjoying the snow, despite the cold and the wind. Everybody's having a good time, and this is why we do this, you know. Despite the hard stuff, you know, today was sketchy. The drive here was sketchy. The getting stuck was definitely sketchy. Well, the weather is back to, it looks like a freezing rain mix again. It's kind of nasty, but our shelter is warm. Thanks to, I guess, this guy here.
We're gonna be warm tonight.
Heck yeah.
We got a lot of wood. We brought a sled. We got to sled it down here, and yeah, we're gonna make sure me and you have a warm thing. Jeremiah's gonna be hammocking it, so just Lance and I in the
It's
shelter.
3 a.m. He's going to be crawling in here. I have a feeling.
He's got 2 underquilts. JK gave him a 20-degree underquilt. Then I gave him my hammock gear burrow 10 degrees.
That
So
might
I think
be
it's
all
going
right.
to be pretty used. Hey, I let him use my 10-degree
Hey.
underquilt.
I think we'll be good to go.
I think you're going to be good. Yeah. You went the wrong way.
Oh, shit!
Oh, there you go.
You gotta lean the opposite way.
Yeah.
Well, you made it real far.
Oh no. He's gonna go right in the roof. Good food.
Yeah,
Good
it's
drinks.
delicious.
Yeah, having fun.
Oh, I got it. Right here.
Put another tarp up.
Let me try this.
Got some wind coming in here. It's getting chilly.
Height.
I see my breath.
This right here is one of my friends got a permit to do some bear hunting this year, and he got to kill a bear, and this is some bear sausage, some bear meat. We're gonna fry this up, and I'm gonna have everybody take a little bite. I got a little bit left over right here, but might use it for breakfast in the morning. But I'm gonna fry this up and see how everybody likes a little black bear sausage
From Kentucky.
from Kentucky.
Bear meat.
It's got spice to it.
Yes,
That's
it
really
does.
good, man.
That's like the gaminess.
Wow.
Black bear definitely has a little kick to it.
Mmm. It's fantastic.
Wow.
That's good, dude.
That's real pretty good.
Start eating every bear I find.
That's right, man.
Start eating bear.
Let's put it up.
All right, guys, we are heading to bed. It's about midnight, and yeah. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Jason's up.
What's up?
Good morning. Where are you? There you are.
Morning.
Oh, hey guys, it's morning and it is cold. My watch said 19 degrees, but it feels colder than that. I don't know, man. I don't know if that's right, but got some fresh snow overnight. I could feel it hitting my face. It was coming in over that tarp last night. It was hitting my face, so I know it was snowed overnight.
It was very cold.
How much snow is out there?
I'd say probably 6 inches.
6
maybe?
inches?
6 inches.
Yeah.
Don't
So
6 to 8.
6 to 8. So it's gonna be a cold walk out of here this morning.
Morning.
How'd you sleep, dude?
Good. Real
Yeah?
good.
Nice.
Stayed warm.
Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome. Good.
Warm in the shelter, cold out here.
I know, right? It's a cold, snowy morning here in PA. Good old Pennsylvania. It's pretty though. The snow coming down. It's real quiet. But man, it's freaking cold. I'm ready to get out of here. These guys are heading back to the cars already.
See you at the car.
Apparently they're cold.
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
All right. Well, have fun, guys.
Later.
That's the idea. See you soon. I brought my yak tracks for this one, and I'm glad I did. 'Cause it's kind of icy and slick. And these are really helping, which is great. Man, it's pretty out here. It's cold. Jeremiah,
Yeah,
how was the hammock, bro?
dude. The hammock was really hot.
That's amazing.
Double up on the under quilts. Double up on the sleeping bag and quilt.
Awesome.
0, 15 degrees on everything. I was hot.
I'm glad you're comfortable.
Huh?
We're heading to get some breakfast.
What?
Heck yeah.
Your toggle. You ready to have breakfast?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Really, I'm just ready to be warm.
How lucky did we get to get this winter storm here?
I definitely need to spend more time at this park. It's pretty up here. And it's not that far for me on a normal condition. Had to come drive 7 hours north to see some snow this year so far. We're here, we're done. That is the end of our epic Oil Creek winter adventure. Thanks so much for coming along, guys. If you like this one, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed for lots more epic adventures year round. Thanks everybody. I'll see you on the next one.